Okay, we are going to create an emoji using Google Apps for drawing. Yes, you have to use this app. We will learn about other apps, but for this assignment, I want you to learn how to use this program. So what I'm going to do is show you how to get into it. You need to go into your drive. Chromebook has a menu. You can go in through the drive that way. Open up the drive. You're going to go and look at New. New. More. Drawing. This is your workspace. This is off your workspace. So you can place items there, but it will not be seen when it is saved. So start out by changing the name. Now we're going to change your surface, the size of your workspace. There's two ways to do it. You can go over here and change that. Notice the size of the workspace is at 10. But if I go down to 6, it'll get big again. So I want to do a square. So another way to do it is go to File, go to Page Setup, and this time I'm going to go 5 inches by 5 inches. So now we have a square. If you go and you click on all of these, they will show you what each thing is. There's lots of things to do with it. So first off, let's go ahead and make a shape. So we're going to do a shape, and we're going to go and do a circle. Now, if I did a circle like this, that would be pretty good, but I want it to be pretty accurate. So I'm going to click the undo button, and I'm going to do the shape. This time I'm going to put my finger on the shift key, that's the key next to the Z, and press down and move it as I go down in a diagonal, and I get a circle. Let's format that circle. Let's move. You can move it while it's still has this outline and these little dots. That means it's been activated. So first off, let's make it a yellow. And second of all, let's go ahead and make it transparent. Now, what kind of emoji do you want to do? You want to do a smiley emoji? You want to do a winking emoji? Let's go look at some, and let's go see if we can insert a picture, and you can copy it or get it close to it. My biggest problem is I try to make it too much like the original. I spend a lot of time not getting it. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to insert an image, but I really don't want you to spend your time working on that. So let's go and insert an image. We're going to search the web. We're going to type in the word emoji. And we look at an emoji that you like and could possibly do while, I like this one. Let me do that one. I'm going to do that one. So I selected it. I'm going to insert it. I'm going to go ahead and edit it a little bit so doesn't have the whole thing. And then okay, that's not what I wanted to do. Let's try that again. There we go. I'm going to move it over here so I can look at it. All right, so it's made up of lines and shapes and stuff like that. So I'm not going to do everything that's like it. So I'm just going to do a couple of things that are similar. So first off, let's make an eye. I'm just going to make an oval eye. I'm not going to do all the different. Well, I could do some of the layers, but let's see about. Let's try insert a shape, and this time it is going to be an oval. So over here, I'm going to work on the eye over here. So I'm going to make it like an oval, and then there's a second oval. Insert. There's like two more ovals. So I'm going to click Escape, do the shape again, and this time I'm going to do it again as if I'm going to go inside it, and then I'm going to click Escape. And then I'm going to do another shape. I'm going to click over here to get rid of that. Okay, so now I'm going to do another one where I do another oval inside that one. All right, so now I have three ovals. So the first one is filled with blue and outlined with transparent. Next one is going to be black, filled with black and outlined in transparent. And the last one is a circle filled with white. And there's my eye. Okay, so then this outside thing is kind of like a polygon or an archy shape. So let's look and see what we got here that might work. See if any of these might work. Well, there's, nah, I'll just draw it. So let's do it as a drawing. So let's do this one's a curved line that is a connected shape. So let's see what we can make. I'm just kind of playing around. I have no idea what we're making. All right. Now, here's a good example of arrangement. So you can see that it's covered everything. So I'm going to click on Arrange, Order, and I'm going to send backwards. That didn't do anything. So this time I'm going to go Arrange, Order, and send to the back. It's like, there we go. Now, let's see if we can play around with that shape a little bit. Let's see if it'll make it different. If we can make it a little different. Well, it won't do that little sharp bottom part to it, that's for sure. So let's go ahead and make that white, fill it with white, like that. And let's put that together as a group. So now I'm going to click on this, I'm going to drag, and I'm going to go back to Arrange, and this time I'm going to group it. So I take that group, and I'm going to move it over here for the eye. So I've done layers of different, so think of this as all these different little layers of things in order for you to do this. Now, I kind of really do like that little arch around the bottom of it, and I guess I could play around with that just a little bit, but I'm going to come back to it maybe. I may go ahead and make this a little bit bigger. Put my finger on the shift key, make it bigger, move it over. Okay, I like that better. Okay. All right, next is the little swishes for the other eye. So let's look for another line. This time, let's just do a curved line. And you just kind of drag it to create your little curve. Oh, there we go. And you're going to go escape to get it to go like that. And it's not really that much of a difference. I'm going to move it around a little bit, make it arch a little bit more. And then I'm going to increase the size. Let's make that. That looks more like an eyebrow than it does a. Let's delete that. I don't like that. Let's try something else. Let's try the scribble. And this time I'm just going to go like that. And then I'm going to make the line 8. And then I'm going to do the scribble again. And then a scribble up here. And then I'm going to do another scribble so that they kind of overlap each other. And then I take that and I move it so that there we go. That looks a little bit better. I kind of like that. All right, let's do the smile. Another shape. I think this is better. So let's do like that. Fill it with black. And let's turn it and move it. I don't like this white thing. I'm going to take that white thing off. Oh, forgot. I got to ungroup it. There we go. I like that better. Move that one over here. I might change that, but we'll see. And there was like I'm going to try something. I'm going to insert a little heart for the tongue. Let's do a little tiny heart like that. Make it red and make it transparent. And let's move it over here. And there we have it. Now, let's do a couple of other things. Let's put in some text box. Let's insert a text box, and we'll just try right here and write Sarah's wink. You can change the font by highlighting it and just find something that's a font that you like. And then down below, you can write another. Let's try insert a word art and the emoji and change the shape. Bring it down here. And let's see if we can change it to a different one. No, yep, there you go. Let's change the color. Fill it with red. And you can do the outline with yellow. There you go. And you are done. So let's save it. There's 2 ways. You can send me a link, or you can publish it to the web, and then you get the link. You click on the link and you click publish, And that would be what you would copy and paste into the assignment. But you can also do it this way. You download it as a JPEG, and it's now in your computer. And notice this is only what it sees. It doesn't see the little part right over here. Okay. So that's, and I will then add how to upload it. The end.